There is a brand new service out there that will pay you quickly and send you free PayPal money. All you have to do is copy and paste some links to get paid. It requires no social media following, no talents, and it's available worldwide. If you want to make a lot of money quickly and easily, this is a video for you. So the first website we'll be utilizing today to make some nice money online is this one called Yazing.com. And you can see what this site is all about right away when you visit their homepage. Get rewarded for every purchase you make and influence online. Basically, this network gives cash back to customers who buy anything, which we're not interested in because we're not here to spend money, but rather to make money. You can see what this site has to offer aside from cashbacks, which is what we're really interested in. Right below, get paid to promote. When you share any brand's offer or coupon page with others and your influence drives sales, Yazing gives you cash. So you can really get money by advertising other people's stuff. And you'll see why we're utilizing this site specifically to be paid for promotion rather than, say, an affiliate marketplace. If you think that's powerful, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell. Alright? Anyway, as you can see right next to this, they will pay you very quickly. So you won't have to wait long to get your profits, as is the case with many other platforms. And you can see what platform they will pay you through just below. It's none other than PayPal, which is where most of you who are watching this video love. So for those of you who have been asking up till now, yes, this site does accept PayPal. However, when you first visit this site, you will need to establish a new account. To do so, simply click the Join Now option right here. Fill in your username, email address, and password, and then click Register Now to make your account so you can begin earning money on this site. This is how everything will look once you enter into your new account. And if you scroll down, you'll find all of the businesses from which you may earn cash back or get paid to advertise. As I previously stated, we want to promote them. And consider this. If I wanted to promote this company, for example, I would get paid $225 for doing so, which is ridiculous, to say the least. All I'd have to do is click on Promote to Earn, then copy that referral link. And every time someone bought something using that link, I'd get paid $225. So as I mentioned earlier, there's a lot of money to be earned here. Remember how I said I'd explain why we're utilizing this specific site to promote businesses and be paid well? Here's why. When you click on Promote to Earn, for any of these brands, you'll be able to get your referral link right away, as you can see. This means you won't have to wait for the approval and then do nothing, like so many other platforms. Instead, you'll be able to get your link right away, which is one of the main reasons this site is so good. With that said, you may get a referral connection to any of these deals. But I would recommend getting a referral link to a business in a certain niche, the animal niche for example, and you will understand why shortly. For the time being though, you'll need to choose the category here and then to animals and pet supplies. That will take you to this page where you can grab a referral link to any of these brands. As long as it's related to animals, it doesn't matter which one. And once you've grabbed a referral link to any of these, it's now time for me to show you a traffic source you can use to drive traffic to your link so you can make money online. The traffic source I'm talking about is Instagram, and I'll teach you how to utilize it to acquire traffic even if you have no followers, so you don't need any kind of social media following for this. Anyway, what you'll need to do on Instagram is establish a new page dedicated to dogs, as we're marketing a dog-related company and that's what our page should be about. Make sure the name of your page, as well as the profile image and bio are all connected to dogs. And now that you've done that, it's time to go on to the next stage, which is to add some posts to your dog page. And there's no better place to get free, professionally taken photos than Pexels.com. Here you can discover hundreds of thousands of images on just about everything. And more importantly for us, you can download and use them freely on your page. So what I want you to do is go to the search box and key in something like dog, puppy, adorable dog, and so on. This will show you all of the images that you can use, and you'll want to download a few of them. To do so, just click on this arrow right here, and you'll want to download about 5 to 10 of them for now, because you won't need too many for the time being, and then go back to Instagram and post a few of them on your page. After you've done that and uploaded a few of them to your page, it's time for me to show you how to truly develop your Instagram profile so that you can make money. What you'll need to do is look for and open a large dog or animal page in general. Here's one I opened as an example. And then open up their followers here and follow as many individuals as you can. We're doing this to grow our page, which is how most pages on Instagram grow. They follow a bunch of people who are following a page that's similar to theirs, and they end up in their notifications. And what do you think someone who loves dogs, for example, will do if they see a dog page in their notifications? They'll probably follow it back. As I previously stated, this is how most Instagram pages grow, and it is how we will grow as well. This can be incredibly effective because you can follow hundreds of people in as little as 20 minutes, meaning you can potentially grow your page to thousands of followers in as little as a week or even less. Before we continue, I'd like to clarify why we chose the animal niche in the first place. The reason is that it's incredibly popular. It's a lot simpler to build a dog page than it is to grow a page about something else, since the dog niche is one of the largest on Instagram. Because Instagram will be our traffic source, the amount of money we can make will be directly proportional to the number of followers we have, which is why we chose the animal niche in particular, because it can simply generate us significantly more money. Once your page has grown to a certain level, you should upload dog photos at least 3 to 4 times per week to ensure that it continues to grow. After some time has passed, you should leave something in your bio along the lines of best dog products for a good price, and then leave your Yazzie referral link that you got way back in the beginning. And in this way, literally thousands of people who follow you will be able to see it. And every time one of them makes a purchase, you will earn money. If you do the math, hundreds of people buying a product from a brand you're promoting costs, say $20, and it would earn you hundreds of thousands of dollars as you continue to do it. And you'll earn even more if you put in a lot of time in this really awesome way to make money online. Guys, with your dog page, you will not be able to make a lot of money in fully passive revenue, but you will also be able to do it without having too much effort at all. Awesome! I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.